Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the best foods for hypertension sufferers. If you or someone you know is dealing with high blood pressure, this video is for you. We'll be your guides on this journey to a healthier lifestyle, one delicious bite at a time. You see, managing hypertension isn't just about medication. It's about making smart choices every day, especially when it comes to what you put on your plate. We're talking about real food, the kind that not only tastes good but also does wonders for your body. So if you're ready to take control of your health and lower your blood pressure naturally, stick around because we're about to unlock the power of food together. Let's kick things off with leafy greens, the superheroes of the dietary world. Spinach, kale, collard greens, all those vibrant vegetables your mom always told you to eat. They're packed with potassium, which helps counter sodium's effects on blood pressure. Leafy greens are also rich in nitrates, relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow. Plus, they're loaded with antioxidants, protecting your cells from damage. So, how do you get more leafy greens in your diet? Toss them into smoothies, stir-fries, or salads. Next up, we're talking about berries, those sweet, juicy bursts of flavor that are as good for you as they taste. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, you name it, they're all fantastic for managing hypertension. One of the key reasons is their high concentration of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. These powerful compounds not only give berries their vibrant colors, but also help protect your blood vessels from damage and improve their function. But that's not all. Berries are also a good source of fiber, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Fiber helps regulate digestion and keeps things moving smoothly, preventing constipation. And here's an interesting fact. Did you know that regular berry consumption has been linked to lower blood pressure levels? That's right. These little gems can actually help keep your numbers in check. So make sure to include a variety of berries in your diet. Add them to your breakfast cereal, yogurt, smoothies, or simply enjoy them as a refreshing snack. Let's move on to a breakfast staple that's both comforting and beneficial for hypertension: oats. These humble grains are a powerhouse of nutrition. They're an excellent source of beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that lowers cholesterol. Managing cholesterol is crucial for heart health. Oats are also packed with magnesium, potassium, and fiber. These nutrients keep your blood vessels relaxed and improve blood flow. Enjoy them as oatmeal, in smoothies, or in baking for a heart-healthy start to your day. Let's talk about bananas, those convenient portable fruits that are not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for managing hypertension. You see, bananas are packed with potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure. Potassium helps counter the negative effects of sodium, which can elevate blood pressure levels. Think of it this way. Sodium and potassium have opposite effects on blood pressure. Sodium raises it, while potassium lowers it. So by increasing your potassium intake, you're essentially giving your body the tools it needs to keep your blood pressure in check. And bananas are one of the best sources of potassium out there. Just one medium-sized banana provides about 12% of your daily potassium needs. Plus, they're low in sodium and fat, making them an excellent choice for a heart-healthy snack or addition to your meals. And last but certainly not least, let's dive into the world of fatty fish, a true superfood when it comes to managing hypertension. We're talking about salmon, mackerel, tuna, sardines, all those delicious fish that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential fatty acids, meaning our bodies can't produce them on their own, so we need to get them through our diet. And when it comes to heart health, omega-3s are true rock stars. They have potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the blood vessels. This is crucial because chronic inflammation can damage blood vessels and contribute to hypertension. But that's not all. Omega-3s can also help lower triglyceride levels, another type of fat found in the blood that can increase the risk of heart disease. And here's an interesting fact. Studies have shown that people who regularly consume fatty fish tend to have lower blood pressure levels compared to those who don't. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and recommendations. Stay healthy. We've explored some of the best foods for hypertension sufferers, but remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole world of delicious and nutritious foods out there that can support your health journey. So, Embrace a balanced diet, make informed choices, and enjoy the benefits of a healthier, happier you.